Russia made an important move toward bolstering its technological sovereignty in the energy sector during the 11th St. Petersburg International Gas Forum, PMGF 2025, in October 2025. PJSC Gazprom officially commissioned the largest and most modern turbine blade manufacturing facility in the country. Gazprom Chairman Alexei Miller, Governor of the Tula Region, Dmitry Milyev, and CEO of Gazprom Energo Holding LLC, Denis Fedorov, were present at the inauguration ceremony. A high-tech, specialized facility, the new foundry complex is located in the Tula Region and is specifically designed to manufacture blades for industrial, power, and marine gas turbines. Gazprom utilizes these turbines in gas compressor units at gas production and transportation facilities throughout Russia. The turbine blades are the most intricate and critical element of gas turbine construction. They are subjected to mechanical loads and extreme temperatures, necessitating their periodic replacement. In the past, these blades were produced at facilities in other countries, which required reliance on external supplies and posed technological risks. This prompted the necessity of a domestic production facility capable of fully satisfying Gazprom's specifications for high-quality turbine blades. Russia has made substantial progress in the development of its own high-capacity gas turbines in recent years, aiming to reduce dependence on foreign technology and enhance energy security. The GTD-110M turbine, inaugurated at the Udarnaya Thermal Power Facility in 2024, represents a significant achievement in this effort. Jointly developed by Rostec and Power Machines, the GTD-110M is the first high-capacity gas turbine manufactured domestically in Russia. It is intended to replace turbines previously imported from companies such as Siemens, General Electric, and Alstom. The turbine has a nominal capacity of 560 megawatt. It stands out from its foreign counterparts due to reduced weight, greater compactness, and comparable performance. This development not only increases the capacity of the Udarnaya facility, but also represents a major stride toward technological independence in the energy sector. Russia aims to compete with global leaders in turbine technology and reduce reliance on imported equipment by developing gas turbines exceeding 300 megawatt. The new foundry complex in the Tula region executes a complete cycle of casting operations. This includes creating a 3D model of the future blade, producing a high-precision casting mold, and mechanically processing and quality testing the completed product. 12 technological sections are utilized for this purpose at the facility. Russia manufactures the critical technological apparatus for the foundry complex. Modern induction vacuum furnaces, the primary components of the casting facility, melt a unique heat-resistant alloy. The new enterprise's capabilities are sufficient to meet Gazprom's requirements for blades for gas compressor units. The Tula region will produce over 50 distinct product categories. Serial production is set to begin in 2026, and blade production will expand to cover new installations in the future. Additionally, the complex's products are expected to be in high demand by leading domestic manufacturers of gas and power turbines, as well as other enterprises in Russia's fuel and energy sector. Alexei Miller highlighted the importance of this project, stating, "Gazprom is determined to independently satisfy its demand for these components, turbine blades." He noted that the goal was to build the most advanced, high-tech production facility in Russia within 2 years. This ambitious objective has been successfully completed. The establishment of the foundry complex is a clear sign of Russia's technological sovereignty and the growth of its engineering competencies. Before the new facility, turbine blades for gas turbines were produced by several companies in Russia. One of the largest was the Leningrad Turbine Blade Plant, ZTL, established in 1964 as the Northern Base. Renamed in 1966, ZTL became an independent enterprise. By 1970, it had become the main supplier of turbine blades in the country. The facility joined OJSC Power Machines in 2000. Despite its extensive experience, ZTL could not fully meet the growing demand for high-quality turbine blades, particularly under modern technological requirements. The new foundry complex in the Tula region was created to meet the challenges of the modern era. It provides Gazprom with essential components and marks a turning point in the development of domestic mechanical engineering. The facility strengthens Russia's technological independence, reduces risks from external supplies, and lowers reliance on imports. Its products are expected to be in high demand not only in Russia but also internationally, creating new export opportunities and boosting the global presence of Russian industry. The establishment of the foundry complex in the Tula region is a landmark event in Russian mechanical engineering and energy history. It reflects the nation's pursuit of technological sovereignty, the advancement of high-tech manufacturing, and the fortification of its global market position. Such initiatives are crucial for the security and sustainable development of Russia's energy sector amid global challenges and competition. If you find this video informative, please like, subscribe, and share. Please also take our membership to encourage us.